Hi, in this video we're going to talk about how to add this Wi-Fi repeater to improve the Wi-Fi connection between the birdhouse camera and the router. The first question is why we need a Wi-Fi repeater. This is the 3 megapixel Wi-Fi birdhouse camera. It's the waterproof version. It can deliver high definition video with the audio. But the thing is we need to have very good Wi-Fi coverage around the birdhouse. If the Wi-Fi signal is not good around the birdhouse, the camera cannot supply the good video. We may have a very good signal inside, but there's no guarantee the Wi-Fi signal is strong outside. In this case, we can add the Wi-Fi repeater somewhere between the router and the birdhouse to improve the Wi-Fi signal. Okay, now let's get started. Before we move ahead, we need to replace this antenna. This is the small antenna. Here we got the large antenna. This is the high power antenna. It's not coming with the camera. It needs to be ordered separately. All right. Let's mount this antenna base to the birdhouse. We do need 2 screws to fix the base to the birdhouse. You need to have another one. Let's mount the antenna to the base. I will remove this small antenna. The camera comes with the standard SMA connection. You can replace the antenna to the high power version. Both cables will go through this notch. Okay, now the camera is ready. We can move to the Wi-Fi repeater. Before we connect this Wi-Fi repeater to the router, one thing is important. We need to disconnect the power of the camera. We don't want the camera to mix up the whole connection. Okay, let's see what we have from the Wi-Fi repeater. This is the DC 5 voltage power input port. It works with the standard USB cable. This is the network port, which means we also can connect the Wi-Fi repeater to the router by using the Cat5 or Cat6 Ethernet cable. In our application, we will use the Wi-Fi connection. This is the microSD card slot. We can install this microSD card to save the live video from the camera to the Wi-Fi repeater. We got one reset button, another is the pair button to fire the camera. Now let's connect the cable to the Wi-Fi repeater. It's going to pop the repeater. It will take a while before the Wi-Fi repeater pop. Meanwhile, let's move to the app. This is the app. Before we move ahead, we need to make sure the camera is connecting to the router we're going to work with. Here I will choose the local connection. Great. We got no device. We click Add button. Choose the VIOT station. Click Next. We have 2 options. One is the wired connection, another is wireless connection. Because we are going to use the Wi-Fi, we'll choose the second one. Click Next. Click Confirm. This is the router information, the name of the router, also the password of the router. Click Confirm. Before we click Confirm, the one thing important, we need to make sure the mobile data, this one is being turned off, otherwise it may not work.
Start pairing rudder.
This is the mobile data control for the camera. Now click Confirm.
Connecting, please wait.
Now yes, here the stations are connecting, please wait. That means the Wi-Fi repeater is being connected to the router already. We are seeing this blinking. It means the repeater is being connected to the router. It's going to take a while. Alright, this is the interface asking me to save the new password to the repeater to protect this repeater. If we decide to use the password, it's very important to mark down this password. Otherwise, you will not able to access the repeater by using a new device. I'm not going to save the password because I don't want to remember any password. But it not allow me to click confirm, so the working around, just I close the app. I return to the app. I use local login. Now I see the repeater already. You see there's no camera. It's normal because we just work with the Wi-Fi repeater. Okay, we have finished the most difficult part. Connect this Wi-Fi repeater to the router. The next thing is connect the camera to the Wi-Fi repeater. It's quite easy. Let me pop the camera again. It will take a while before the camera boots up. We're supposed to hear the camera making click sound. I just heard the camera make click sound, which means the camera is ready. Now let's move to the Wi-Fi repeater. We need to press this pair button and hold about 3 seconds and release.
Start pairing camera.
The indicator starts flashing, which means the Wi-Fi repeater is trying to find the camera. It will take a while before the Wi-Fi repeater finds the camera.
The first channel.
Okay,
Device is connected
that means the
successfully.
Wi-Fi repeater already found the camera and add to the first channel. Let's move to the apps. You can see this is online, which means the camera add to the first channel. This is the Wi-Fi signal bar from the camera. It's completely full. Let's click. This is the live video from the camera. Now the camera's live. I just move the camera. From this moment, the Wi-Fi repeater is ready. We can place the Wi-Fi repeater between the router and the birdhouse to improve the Wi-Fi coverage. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you have any question, please post it in the comment section below. See you next time.